Hello everybody, it is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Super hot. I'm sorry I'm a little sweaty. I was just cutting the grass outside with Maximus. Max, where are you? Sorry about the mess, guys. There's Max. He was helping me cut the grass. Right now we're gonna go check the mail. It's a little dark in here. We just turned on the AC because it is the first hot day of the year. So let's put the leash on this guy. Okay, buddy, let's go check the mail. No, we're not going for a car ride. Every time we walk by the car, he wants to get in. Come on, check the mail, buddy. Doesn't feel super hot, but it's still pretty hot. And the mailbox. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a letter from Oshie. Oshie, hey Max. It's from Oshie. It's for you. It's for you, buddy. Wanna help me take it inside? There you go. Hey, you can't drop it. Come, Maxie. Maxie. Let's go take it inside. No, it doesn't feel like it. It usually helps me with the mail. Okay, so most of you may know who Oshie is. He has this YouTube channel called Oshies World, and he's a golden retriever just like my buddy Maximus here. And I won a giveaway where they were doing a giveaway of a fidget spinner. Now I really appreciate Oshie, Nancy, and Jesse for letting Maximus have this fidget spinner, because now we're going to see, oh look at that, how Maximus reacts. That's Oshie. It says, Nelson, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Enjoy the fidget spinner. Oshie, Nancy, Jesse. So thanks guys. I'm going to link these guys on the description below. Although these guys don't really need any introduction. Their channel grew up so fast, right? And he loves watching Oshie too. So Oshie had no care for this when I saw his video. And let's see how Maximus reacts. It's an American flag. Look, buddy. Look, what is it? It's a fidget spinner, buddy. Look. You like it? You don't like it? Whoa, what is that? What is that? It's yours. It's yours, buddy. Yeah, it's for you. It's from Oshie. No. What? What is it, buddy? You're just thirsty, aren't you? It's a really hot day today. You don't like it? How do you use this? What? What? Is it weird? Is it weird? Gonna put it on your head? No. Gonna put it on your nose or your paw? No. Oh, he's too cute. He's too cute. Now he's just rolling on the floor. Want some belly rubs? Well, Oshie, Nancy, and Jesse, thank you guys very much for sending me the fidget spinner. I'm sure Maximus eventually will get the hang of it and probably play with it on his own. But for now, let's just let him figure it out. Right, buddy? Right, buddy? Good boy. It's a hot day, so I'm gonna have a freezy. He's gonna love this. It's so good. I don't know how to use it.